Hi, I want to demonstrate the narrow grip chest press. This is a good chest exercise, but with the narrow grip, it focuses a little bit more on the shoulders and triceps. In this position, it can be really compromising for the shoulders, so we want to make sure to keep the bottom of our armpit really tight, that muscle underneath it really tight, stabilizing the shoulder blade against the chest wall, and pull our shoulder blades down and together. There will be a bit of movement, but really trying to keep those shoulder blades locked down and together and feeling that tightening in the armpit. So you want your shoulder blades resting on the bench, your butt resting on the bench. There will be a curve in the back, but you're making sure that you're pulling your abs in, stable in the glutes, stable in the legs, and rooted into your feet, either the full foot or the balls of the feet, and making sure the wrists are stacked over the elbows. So you don't want to be too far up, like you're curling, or too far down, too far away, too far in. Really just stack them nicely, neutrally over the elbows. Inhaling here, big inhale. Exhale, pressing towards the eyes, keeping the shoulder blades back. Bringing the wrist right over the elbows, low as far as you can in the nipple line, and exhale, back up. That is the narrow grip chest press. Let me know what you think.